I, James, invite you to share my life.
I, Malia, invite you to share my life.
I take you, Malia, to be my lawful wife.
I take you, James, to be my lawful husband.
To have and to hold.
In tears and in laughter.
From this day forward, you'll never be alone.
You will never be alone. James, I knew on the first date when we were the last ones in the restaurant that there was something special about you. And you make me unbelievably happy every single day.
From the first time we met, I knew you were somebody I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. I still remember our first date. From the first hello to that random man who made it a point to yell across the street as we walked to dinner to tell me how lucky I was. I knew this man was right. I was lucky. I was lucky that the universe guided us together.
Oh, this is cute.
We've built so much together already, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us when we start a family. I know you're going to be such a great dad, and I'm so lucky to have all of your love just to me all by myself. I'll love and cherish you every step of the way in our relationship, and I promise to be the best I can every day for you. I love you.
Malia, the love of my life, my best friend, my partner in crime. Today's finally come. We get to stand in front of our families and friends and commit ourselves to each other and promise to love, support, and care for one another for the rest of our lives. I'm excited for the years to come and to see where the adventure takes us. Finally, I promise you in front of our families and friends that no matter what happens, I will always be there for you. You are my wife, and today, I truly am the luckiest man here. I love you now and forever.
Stunning. Oh my God.
Love you.
Yeah.
By the authority vested in me by none other than the happy couple, I now pronounce you husband and wife. James, kiss that beautiful bride.
Today, all our family and friends come together and we celebrate with Malia and James. I would like to thank each and every one of you for attending. To James and Malia, may every day be happier than the last. May good health and prosperity and safety be with you everywhere you travel.
wish that today is the most incredible day of your lives and that you both enjoy your honeymoon.
May you see your children's children. May you be poor in misfortune and rich in blessings. May you know nothing but happiness from this day forward.